leaves start falling, we can tell that a change is happening. Leaves are falling, autumn is calling. Awesome morning to respected principal ma'am, vice principal ma'am, worthy teachers, and all my dear friends. Today's virtual assembly is conducted by the student of class 4E, and the theme of our assembly is autumn season. But before starting our topic, let us join our hands and pray. Praise Him, praise Him, praise Him in the morning, praise Him in the noontime, praise Him, praise Him, praise Him when the sun goes down. Serve Him, serve Him, serve Him in the morning, serve Him in the noontime, serve Him, serve Him, serve Him when the sun goes down. Thank Him, thank Him, thank Him in the morning, thank Him in the noontime, thank Him, thank Him, thank Him when the sun goes down. Praise Him, praise Him, praise Him in the morning, praise Him in the noontime, praise Him, praise Him, praise Him when the sun goes down.
Winter is an etching, spring a watercolor, summer an oil painting, and autumn a mosaic of them all. I repeat my thought. Winter is an etching, spring a watercolor, summer an oil painting, and autumn a mosaic of them all.
The word for the day is autumn, and the meaning is the season of the year that comes between summer and winter. The usage of this word in the sentence is: in autumn, the leaves on the tree began to fall.
Topic of the day is autumn season. Autumn is a season after summer and before winter. Autumn is a season famous for its harvest time, turning leaves, cooling temperatures, and darkening nights. Though autumn is traditionally a season of letting things go, it can also be a season of renewal and rebirth. Autumn carries more gold in its pocket than the other season.
I promise that I will take all precaution to stop the spread of coronavirus. I will always wear mask and maintain a distance of 2 meters, and I will wash my hands with soap regularly. Together, we can fight coronavirus.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा। तब शुभ नामे जागे, तब शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाहे तब जय गाथा। जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे